Hey Curtis, Nate with Bluesoft here. So I was running through your guys' website and just wanted to point out a few things that if you guys fix could get you really a lot more visibility in Google, which is going to bring you a lot more traffic, get you a lot more leads, and of course help you make a lot more sales. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in right now. So the first thing I noticed is you kind of have a single scroll site here. Not typically ideal because it makes it a little bit harder to optimize. So if you look at, you've only got five results here in Google. So the site, semicolon, and then your domain name is going to show all results indexed in Google. So typically when you're building a website, what you're doing is you're going through and you're doing the keyword research around each of your products, your service area, and you're building a list of keywords. And those keywords are going to have, good buyer intent. You want to make sure they have good buyer intent, good search volume, and of course, depending on how much domain authority and how many backlinks you have, how much competition that keyword has. But honestly, in your guys' niche here, there's really not a whole lot of competition. I'm seeing a ton of opportunity for you guys to. So this green is good. Basically, it's saying it's still easy to rank for. The problem is you just don't have a dedicated page for each of your services. So if we go here, you see your services, and it's just kind of a quick overview. And for a brochure website, sure, I mean, this works, but if you want to be able to rank and actually drive traffic to each of these service pages and convert that traffic into leads, it needs to be targeted. So I would recommend really rebuilding the website and structuring the website on a per service basis, as well as even geo-targeted areas too. So yeah, with that, because generally, like if you build a page for, let's say, chilled water air conditioning systems, now you're really going to be able to optimize that page and put that keyword in this title tag, right? The title tag is a very important ranking factor. The meta description as well. And you're going to be able to optimize all those pages, and it's going to be really easy to rank, as you can see right here, what my system is telling me. So definitely recommend doing that. Additionally, this current website isn't loading very fast, so Google has announced that page speed is part of their ranking factor for a number of reasons. When people use Google, Google wants their users to have a good experience, which means the websites they're visiting are loading fast. Additionally, if someone comes to your website and especially on a mobile phone, it's really about over 60% these days hit websites on their mobile device. So that's going to cause it to load really slow. So, and if the website's loading slow, someone's going to hit that back button before it loads, and you kind of lose your opportunity to ever capture that person as a client. So moving on here. Additionally, you guys only have 4 reviews. I would recommend pushing to get more. And you can see right here, just one bad review can really hurt your rating. So pushing your happy customers to leave a review is going to help prevent that. Statistically, people don't want to do business with a company with under a 4-star review. Higher the better, obviously. So definitely recommend doing that. Additionally, I would try to reply to reviews as well. Let the community know that you care. So for example, this guy right here, you could reply to him, let the community know that you care and that you're trying to resolve the situation. And you can reply through your Google My Business panel. It looks like this location's claimed, so you should be able to do so. Additionally, I would ask clients to leave a review, actually write something as well. So and to kind of point this out, if you look at others in your industry, you're going to see that they generally have a higher ranking. So yours is a pretty niche industry, so you don't even have Google My Business showing up, it looks like. But if you look at here, so chilled water air conditioning systems, New Jersey, you've actually got web pages ranking first, so that's even more reason to optimize. And you can see right here, this page isn't even that optimized. So this is New Jersey Air Conditioning Repair and Service, and then they have chilled water in the meta description, and that's Google bolding that. That's Google saying, hey, this listing has what you're looking for. So if you guys just do a better job optimizing your site, you're probably going to surpass a lot of these other companies, because it really doesn't look like they're optimizing for those important keywords. So you break up your site, optimize those, you're going to be really good. So additionally, it's not just Google My Business. There's a ton of other business directories, apps, and websites that you want to sync your information to. For example, Yelp. So Google Maps generally pulls in reviews from Yelp. So right now it doesn't look like you're listed in Yelp. So using a software, there's software out there that can sync out your business information to all these 50 plus business directories and apps, and so it's makes it really quick and easy. You definitely want to use a software because going to these websites one by one and creating an account and claiming your business and optimizing it with keywords and uploading media like images and video is really time consuming. I mean, it's a lot of hours per month to keep up with that. And then if you change like your business hours or something, that could also create issues, and you got to go back through and update all that stuff too. So also, part of a ranking factor is really keeping your information congruent across all these. Right here, you're going to see you have two different phone numbers. You got 856-910 and then 856-662. Maybe they go to the same place, but just making sure they're congruent across all these platforms is important because Google's just a bot. It's got to take in all this information and really understand that it's one and the same company, and that they can rank you. So other than that, if you guys implement that kind of stuff, it's really going to help you get a lot more traffic from Google, which is going to get you more leads and more sales. So other than that, again, my name's Nate with Bluesoft. You're welcome to schedule a free consultation with us at bluesoftwebsites.com. We'd be happy to do an in-depth analysis for you and get you an action plan, do some keyword research, show you where you're ranking at for those keywords in Google, and really just help you understand where you're at and help you get to your goals. But yeah, you can schedule with us here or give us a call at 623-204-0767. We'd be happy to help you out. Thanks, Curtis.